Good afternoon to all of you and welcome to this new video. So today I have come to visit this place. Actually this is a mustard seed field, and in this side you can see back of me, this is a garlic field. Look here, this is a little garlic field and you can see the condition of this garlic field. And actually I have come to visit this nature. Actually I'm enjoying this nature very much. Actually right now I'm going to visit my own mustard field, so that's why I'm recording myself. Actually I love to make English video, so that's why I record myself every day. And when I work, that time I try to make English video because I love to record myself and speak in English. So that's why right now I'm recording myself and speaking in English. So by the way, as you can see the condition of this area, actually the area is full of so many vegetables and so many crops. As you can see, look, there are so many vegetable fields and crops, and you can see the mustard flower over there. This is also a mustard field, and you can see the field is full of mustard flowers. Actually the field is looking so yellow in this time. So as you can see, I've come to my vegetable field in this time. Look here back of me, this is my own potato field, and you can see the condition of my potato field. Look here, the condition of my potato field is so good, I can say. And I'd like to show you our tomato field over here. This is my tomato field, and I'd like to show you some in this plant. I'd like to show you some tomato here. Look here, there are some tomato. Can you see this? Yeah, I hope you can see. And there are lots of tomato. Look over there. And I'd like to show you my another potato field over here. Look, this is my another potato field. Look in this side. Can you see this? I hope all of you are seeing my field in this time. And you can see over there, there are so many mustard field. Look in this side. Look over there. There are so many mustard field over there. And actually I'm recording myself for my practicing purpose. Actually I'm learning English language, so that's why I record myself every day. And I'd like to tell you that if you want to learn English language, you can record yourself and you can practice your English by yourself. If you don't have an English speaking partner, you can follow this step. So no more today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.